Acquire grammar. In this lesson, we are going to have a look at the passive voice. There are two voices in English, active and passive. In the active voice, someone or something, which we call the agent, does the action. For example, sharks eat fish. People play soccer. We usually use the active voice. It is short, direct, and simple. We use the passive voice when the subject receives the action. For the passive voice, we use the verb be plus the past participle plus by, then the agent. For example, fish are eaten by sharks. Soccer is played by people. The passive voice is not used as often as the active voice. It is longer, more indirect, and can sound strange in most situations. Here are some examples when we should use the passive voice. The passive voice is used when we want to focus on the receiver of the action. For example, the Mona Lisa was painted by Da Vinci. We also use the passive voice when the agent is not important or obvious. The agent can be removed, and we can include other information like where or when the action took place. For example, the Empire State Building was built by construction workers. We can remove the agent and include other information. The Empire State Building was built in 1931. We can also use the passive voice when the agent is unknown. We don't know who or what the agent is, so we can remove it. For example, Steve's car was stolen. The passive voice is also used when we want to avoid responsibility or blame. The agent is usually removed. For example, Claire broke the computer. Claire wants to avoid responsibility, so she can say, "The computer was broken." The team made mistakes. They want to avoid blame, so they can say, "Mistakes were made." Give it a go. Try making a sentence with the passive voice and leave it in the comments below. If you like our videos, please share them with a friend. We'd really appreciate it. For more videos, please check out our Facebook page. And don't forget to like and follow it. Thank you.